Hi guys, for this video we are going to talk about carbon composition resistors. So what are carbon composition resistors? So these are fixed value resistors. And as the name implies, they are made from carbon, or they are made from fine carbon particles. And or sometimes graphite particles, and they are mixed with a binder material. So the wattage rating of these specific type of resistors are usually from 0.1 to 2 watts. Now, these are resistors that are very colorful, and these colors represent something. They will determine the ohmic resistance or the value of the resistors. And for a 4-band resistors, the first color represents the first digit, the second color represents the second digit, third color represents the multiplier, and the fourth color represents the tolerance. And for a 5-band resistors, the first color, first digit, second color, second digit, third color, third digit, fourth color, multiplier, and the fifth color, tolerance. So there is a table for these colors that will tell you what is the value of each color. So this is the international standard color code. So from this table, you can see that from silver, so digit represents nothing, gold nothing, but starting from black to white, it represents the digit from 0 to 9, no color, nothing. And multiplier, silver 10 raised to negative 2, from silver to white, 10 raised to negative 2 to 10 raised to 9. And the tolerance of silver, plus minus 10%, gold plus minus 5%, and brown and red plus minus 1% and plus minus 2% respectively. And the no color is plus minus 20%. The rest, they represent nothing in terms of tolerance. So note that the color black is not valid as a first color. So there are no resistor color code that begins with a black. Now, what is the tolerance? So this is the amount of resistance percentage by which the actual ohmic value may vary from the value suggested by the color coding. So it simply means that the color of the resistor is not that accurate. It will deviate. The value of the actual value of the resistors will deviate from the ohmic resistance that the color code suggests. So there is a deviation from the colors. So that is what the tolerance is saying. And now let's apply this. Let's solve a problem from this topic. So let's solve this problem. What is the maximum and minimum ohmic resistance that a carbon resistor having the colors of orange, white, brown, and silver can have? So as you can see in this problem, there are only 4 colors. So this is a 4-band resistor. Therefore, the first color orange represents the first digit, the second color white represents the second digit, and the third color represents the multiplier, and lastly, the fourth color represents the tolerance. So orange represents the number 3, that number 3 from the color code. So that is 3. And the white represents the number 9. And brown represents the multiplier 10 raised to 1. So this is times 10 raised to 1. So this is equal to 390 ohms. Now, lastly, the silver, the fourth color, represents the tolerance. So from this color, we can determine the maximum and minimum value that the resistor can have. So since it is this color silver is plus minus 10%, then the maximum value that the resistor can get is 390 times 1.1, and this is equal to 390 times 1.1, that is 429 ohms. So the minimum value is equal to 390 times 0.9, and this is equal to 351. So the maximum and minimum value that this resistor can have is the 429 and 351 ohms respectively. So that's it. That's the answer for this problem. I hope you learned something, and support my YT channel by subscribing to it, and God bless.